When you think of animation, some people might still have a misconception that it's a very niche field, but the opportunities are truly endless when it comes to animation. You can work obviously as an animator, you can work as an illustrator, the storyboard artist, VFX artist, motion graphics artist. You can work in production houses, you can start an independent studio, and you can even get into advertising. So the opportunities are truly endless in this field if you have the dedication and the passion to go for it. If you ask any creative professional, what's the best way to acquire a job in this industry? It's to have a killer portfolio. And this course helps you build that portfolio throughout your 2-year study. We go through a lot of important concepts in animation, like the principles of animation, the fundamentals of animation, 2D animation, 3D modeling, rigging, rendering, character animation, etc. You also get access to industry standard tools and technology and softwares like Blender, Maya, Adobe Creative Suite, etc. The animation industry is booming across several fields like film, television, gaming, advertising, and even emerging fields like virtual reality. Regent is introducing the BTech Level 5 Higher National Diploma in the animation industry, which will equip our students with the necessary skills to excel and thrive in this dynamic industry. If you're someone who enjoys bringing stories, characters, and ideas to life, this course is for you.